Video on the use of Insta-Splint. I apologize for the informal nature of this, but just wanted to get this out to you as quickly as I possibly can. So we're going to take the vacuum pump, which is going to evacuate all the air out of this splint. It'll allow it to go from this very pliable state to a very rigid state, and we'll basically take this actually male tip here and insert it into this female tip here in the valve, and then we'll actually draw the air out utilizing the pump here. Again, I only have one hand, but so we'll have to make do. But anyway, so you're going to draw that out with the pump, and then this will become rigid, and at that point you'll take the valve. You'll see these little lines here on the sides, and you'll pinch those to actually allow air to re-enter into the splint to again allow it to become pliable. I'm not going to actually go on the application of it, just basically just general use of the pump and the valve. But if we need to go through this a little bit more as far as application of the splint best practices, we can go through that as well. But let me just address the first question at hand. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the male portion of the pump, and we're going to place it down into the female portion of the valve. Right? So we've got that seated there. And then I'm going to set the phone down for a second so I can go ahead and use the pump. Okay, so I'm going to take this out. It's a little difficult one here. There. Alright, so you can see it went from being very pliable to very rigid, thus rigid splint. So at this point we would assume that we'd actually be utilizing this to splint the arm or extremity. So at this point we want to go ahead and we want to allow air to return into the splint. You'll grab again those little lines on both sides, and you'll see as I squeeze that, you'll hear the air go ahead and pull into it, and now it's a very pliable splint again. So anyway, so I hope that this is helpful, and again we can go over general use of the splint and best practices, but I just wanted to go ahead and get this out to you as soon as possible. Alright, good luck, and thanks for your interest in Insta-Splint, and we'll be talking to you soon. Thanks, bye.